Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add live wallpaper to Windows 11. So let's get straight into it. So first, click on the search box in your toolbar and type Store, and then open the Microsoft Store from the results. And in the Microsoft Store, use the search bar at the top to type Lively Wallpaper, and then press Enter. So from here, select the first opt, Lively Wallpaper right here, and afterwards click the Install or Get button here. So once installed, click the blue Open button to launch Lively Wallpaper. So inside the app, you will see a selection of preloaded live wallpapers. But if you want to add custom wallpapers, just click on the Add Wallpaper button here and upload your preferred live wallpaper file. But if you want to use these preloaded live wallpapers, then just simply click on your chosen theme here. For example, a jellyfish animation right here. So we're just going to give it a click and then minimize the app, and live wallpaper will now appear on your desktop, just like this. So you can also change wallpapers anytime by reopening the app and selecting a different theme, and then just minimize the app again. So that's basically how you can add live wallpaper to your Windows 11. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.